CanadianSolar and Sol Systems, a leading renewable energy company based in Washington, D.C., announced a partnership to scale new solar module production and procurement in the United States. CanadianSolar has secured a framework agreement to provide Sol Systems with a significant supply of modules from its newly ramped Texas module factory. Under the partnership, CanadianSolar will supply its latest high-efficiency N-Type TOPCon solar modules to support Sol Systems' project pipeline in the U.S. between 2024 and 2025. We are proud to have ramped up our Texas facility in record time and started module production last December. Our cost-competitive Top by Haiku 7 bifacial module has received overwhelmingly positive market feedback. We hope that under this partnership, we are able to scale the U.S. solar module manufacturing industry and create new American manufacturing jobs.